Lee County in north-central Illinois until 5:15 p.m.
Sounds odd.
At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Penrose, or north of Sterling, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Nelson, and Woodline Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.